Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's episode I'm going to teach you how to do my favorite smoky eye look that anyone can easily create. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. Here I'm using Parsley Skin Mist to hydrate my face. Then I use Smashbox Photo Finish to prep my skin. Third is Huda Beauty Foundation. For full coverage, I love this foundation. With a beauty blender, blend it all over your face. Blend, 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 blend. Blend until it's perfectly blended. Now I'm using Tarte Contour Concealer under my eyes in a V shape. Then a stroke on your nose and a bit on your forehead, and lastly a little on the chin. Again, blend with your beauty blender until it's smooth. Blending is the key to a perfect look. Now I'm using Laura Mercier translucent powder under my eyes, on my forehead, nose and chin. I apply it with my beauty blender. I like to bake it for a couple of minutes. After that, grab a powder brush and dust it off gently. Then I use the Anastasia Brow Primer followed by the shade Ebony from the same palette. Now I am setting my brows with Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Next I use Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. After that, I applied the Benefit Cheek Red shade California. Now I am highlighting the highest points of my face with Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion. Now I am using the Tarte's Pro palette to create my crease line. Then I am taking a bit of Inglot liner and I am gonna apply it with gentle strokes. Gently now blend it until the crease. Then use a dark brown shade and blend well. Now I'm taking a dark brown shade from the same palette. Now the last shade, an orange brown color from the same palette. As I mentioned earlier, blending is the key to all perfect makeup looks. So blend well to get rid of harsh lines. Now repeat the same steps for under eyes. Next I use Huda Beauty Lash Glue for my fake lashes. Then I use Benefit Cosmetics Bad Girl Bang Mascara. This is my all-time favorite go-to mascara. Next, apply a new eyeliner to your waterline. I use Urban Decay 24/7 waterline. Lastly, apply a pinkish nude lipstick. I use Kiko Milano Double Touch Liquid Matte Lipstick. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and had fun recreating this look. If you did, then subscribe to my channel, comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up.